Hello, and welcome to another update video about FET. Yeah, FET has moved up nicely since the price broke above this small breakout point that we had down here. However, I have to say again, this is not a clearly, bullish setup. So we just turned around here at the 38.2 FIB level and broke above this $1.29 level that I highlighted in previous updates and signals on Discord, because this $1.29 level invalidated any further immediate downside in this current structure. So it basically increased the probabilities for an upside reversal, even if only temporary. What I'd like to do in this video, just to highlight again the structure and then also add another trend line, a descending trend line here that the price might find, if the price reaches it, there might be some resistance there. Looking at the, the overall bigger picture, the idea is still that this was the top of a possible third wave here end of March. It was a little bit too short, a little bit too weak to be really a reliable third wave. So it's a lot of weakness there. Only reached the 123.6 FIB extension, not the 138, which was at $4.85. That would have been a much more reliable third wave. So we reached only like really the bare minimum expectation. That indicates weakness, and that basically reduced the quality of the chart. I have to say it, That means I'm a bit concerned about it, not bearish, but concerned. There's difference. So that, however, doesn't mean we couldn't go up in the short term, because the price reached the Fibonacci support zone, which starts at $1.08, and it shows a bounce. The move to the downside from March to July here could be an ABC structure. That's the idea. Now the question is, did the entire fourth wave already complete, or is it only like the A wave that bottomed here on the 18th of June, and we're now forming a larger ABC structure to the upside, and we could now be in the C wave? It's a very complex chart, and it is a bit messy, and I don't find the micro count very reliable, which again adds to my view that I think caution is advised here. It's recommended at least. And we have seen a break above that $1.29 level, which was the swing high from the 5th of July. That gave it a bit more upside momentum. And if I look at the structure here, I prefer the yellow count, in which we say an A wave bottomed here, an A wave of a larger ABC structure. So we're now moving in a B wave and could then see another C wave down. This B wave consists of an A, B, C structure itself, and we could be working on that C wave. The Fibonacci target zone is between $1.67 and $2. Those are the next upside targets. Condition is we're holding above the $1.23 level. That's the lower boundary of that micro support area, which I added to the chart today. It's between $1.23 and $1.39. So the idea is that if we are in wave C of a B wave or of a larger corrective rally, then the market formed a wave 1 and a wave 2 pullback. And we are now working on a third wave to the upside. Then there could be a 4 and a 5. Just looking at this, I think I placed the 1-2 wrong. It should be a bit difficult because it's basically a double bottom, but it doesn't make a great difference. So let's leave it here, down there. That might require a small micro adjustment of support down to $1.28 to $1.38. Okay, so we talk about a cent here maybe. And that means the price could then still give us one more high in wave 5 of C. So that's what I'm watching for. Below $1.21, probably a top is already in, or it's failed to rally in 5 waves, but then it would only be a C wave anyway, so it's likely going to break down again. So yeah, very messy, but we're dealing here with a possible trend line. So 3 touch points. It's not a surprise that it finds resistance here at this trend line. So just pay attention to it. And again, another breakout like down here above this trend line could be a breakout signal. Okay. So that's what we see here currently on the FET chart. Pay attention to the trend line. Interesting breakout setup, even though it's not clearly directly bullish, but it is a trend line with 3 touch points. Definitely relevant. So I thought I'll point it out. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.